Sa mga pupunta sa Manila, merong Grab, may Uber, TNVS. Dito sa Baguio, meron na tayong Grab Taxi. And ito yung tinatawag natin Transportation Network Service Vehicles, no? TNVS. Pero hindi sila taxi, especially yung mga private cars na nagbabiyahe, but they are still governed by the law on common carriers na applicable to public and private transports. Private transports who are into commercial business. And under Department Order number 2018-013, Section 2, dinefine niya kung ano ang TNVS. A TNVS is an accredited private vehicle which is a common carrier, meaning it is for public use. And it uses the internet-based technology, application, or digital platform technology, transporting passengers from one point to another. Ito ang pinaka-importante, for compensation. In other words, may bayad. Yung TNVS, meron ding area. It cannot operate outside or independent from the place where they have been issued or an accreditation by the Department of Transportation. Under Article 733 naman, ang common carriers, ang nature of their business and the reasons of public policy, they are bound to observe extraordinary diligence in the transportation of goods and for the safety of passengers transported by them. So kailangan maingat sila. Extraordinary diligence as provided for by Article 733 and 1755 ng New Civil Code. And sabi dito, ang TNVS pareho rin ang obligasyon. Dapat hindi siya reckless, dapat maingat siya under the common carrier provisions of the Civil Code as well as the Department Order of the DOTR.